moolah men. Exactly. The moolah men.
Shout out to Popular, nigga. You feel me? All is on, nigga. ENT, nigga. They always got it out there. We got theirs. Voila, voila.
What's up, family? Everything good, man?
Check y'all, man.
You already know. We in here, Popular Embroidery. Open it down for DC. We trying to create everything that coming out the city, man, fashion-wise. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
That's how we do, man. We in here, family right here, Moolah boys, man.
They bring all the drip. They bring all the drip to the city.
We gonna get it in, man, all day, man.
For sure.
Right here, we got the 6-head embroidery machine. 6-head embroidery machine, Barrington, you know what I'm saying? It's the big boy. You know what I'm saying? We got the little boy over there where we do samples.
Okay.
We got the DTG machine right here. It's direct to garment, you know what I mean? And then we got this printer that we about to plug up next week. It's how we do it.
Yeah, that's right. That's right, man. So y'all hear that, man? Y'all make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Y'all make sure when y'all come down here at Popular Embroidery, man, y'all holler at Corridor J5, man. You got it.
We here, family, all day that, man.
Definitely, man. All quality work, man. You see what's going on, man. So how long y'all been doing, bro?
We've been right here for a year now.
Okay.
We got to store uptown, but
Yeah. Right. Okay.
clothes really, I've been so motherfucking like making everybody shit so much now.
Right.
Like niggas shit, other niggas brands and jugging so hard that I've been having to do their clothes. I don't even got time to do my own shit.
Do your own brand, right. But that's a blessing too. That's a blessing too. You know what I'm saying?
Now I don't gotta make my clothes and wrestle a nigga to buy it.
Right.
I'm making myself tired. You feel me? That's the best part right there.
Exactly what I'm talking about, man.
Niggas ain't got time for that shit.
Exactly, man.
With me as a consumer, first. What would I like and what would I want it for this shit to look like? Or how I want it, the process to be. What's the easiest process? Like if a nigga tell me, man, you gotta do this, that shit gonna throw me off.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? You know that.
We was all there.
We always there. So now I was like, what's gonna be the best way to have a spot in the city to people feel comfortable? It's like it's a price where it's not killing me, it's not killing them, and we actually producing shit here without having to go to China or having to go out West Bubble, fuck everything. It's also about quality. Like with us, we got a list of like 300 customers right now, bro. We try to narrow that shit down to like 10 or 20. I'd rather motherfuckers work with 10, 20 people that's solid. We all building brands. We all trying to see ourselves with a warehouse or one thing. But it's not about really like the money because people don't respect the process with this shit. Bro.
Yeah, exactly.
Some people would take them 5 to 10 years to get clothing brands on the ground.
Yeah, we ain't never lied. We watched it. We witnesses of it.
Niggas want niggas to make. You want to make a t-shirt and a hoodie today. You want to make 100 pieces and want that shit to sell out next day.
Right. Don't go like that. You gotta put your time in that shit, man.
That shit be fucked up. You come in here with people. And people give you that impression, you be like, bro, man, if y'all only knew. With me, bro, I got motherfucking big jump. Like, boxes and shit.
Yeah. I take a large one, medium, depending on how it's cut. They cut good. Large, we need large. I already see the apparel, man. Y'all see the apparel, man. You already know what it is, man.
Yeah.
You feel me? Yeah. And talking about quality, man. Y'all see this? You see this? Baby? Yeah. Man, Slingshots in the Exotic, man. Y'all make sure y'all like, subscribe to the channel, man. Share. And if you want to get popular, man, and get some of this merch, man, y'all get in contact with me, man. Subscribe, leave a comment, man. We'll definitely make it happen. Nice, man.